Assalamualaikum and hi. Today I will show about like 5 um, basic electronic for part A. So we we use multisim to create this circuit. So this one is for VGS. So this one resistor, this one voltage for VGS and VDS, and this one is out is ID. ID is current. So for the part A, find the value VGS. If VGS 0, so we find how to get the ID quantity. So this one VGS, we take the 0. This one we must find the value for ID. If VGS, we must get this 8 voltage. So the current, we must get the 8 milliampere. So we find the value is for voltage. For V1 we use the 11.76. So we got 8. So next, for -1 VGS, so we just put we change this voltage to 1 because the lab sheet want to -1. So this one is VGS, we got -1. So the current ID is 6.1729, like this. So for 2, we just change 2 and got 3.6229, and for 3 we got 1.1232, and for for voltage 4, we got this value, but for this value is too small, so we only write on that sheet is 0. Okay, for the part B, we use the same circuit like part A, and we must find the value of VDS in circuit, and VGS is seems like in lab sheet, and we must know the ID is current. So this one is VDS and this one is VGS. So we must set at this VDS is seems like this one. So for example, VGS is 0 and VDS is 0.5 volt. So how can I do that? Is VGS, we put 0.0 volt, and for voltage this one we must put 0.67625, and we got at VDS is 500 millivolt. It seems like 0.5 volt, and the current ID we got 375 micro ampere. So we change to milliampere is 0.375. So seems like other VDS quantity, we must change this voltage and got at this VDS.
Okay, now I will explain the graph for part A and part B. For part A, we can see the it start from 0 and go up to 8 milliampere. For -4 VGS, it start with 0. -3 is 1.1, and -2 3.6. So 3.6. -1 is 6.1, and lastly 0 VGS is 8 milliampere. For graph part B, we can see for -4 VGS is all 0. It has a value, but the value is very small, so we put it all 0. Maybe is the graph of characteristic curve for part B. This is a voltage curve. For part A is a current curve.